Hey guys, we are in the craft room today, but we're not crafting. I had a package came in this bubble mailer. I am going to flip you guys down and tell you what it is, what it's about, and show you everything that came in this bubble mailer. And I'm going to pause you for just a second and flip you guys down so you can see. Okay, so everything came in this beautiful purple bubble mailer. You know I love purple. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, purple mailer. Inside this mailer, I had a really sweet little note that said, thank you for always being amazing. Truly a kind, beautiful lady. Thank you. Had an extra sea sparkles and hope you love the white sparkles with glow. So she added me just a cute little handwritten note. And this is what was in my package. Now, this is called Kmg Designer Dips. I have done a haul on her with her before. And this is her normal size dip. This is the normal size you would be getting. Her family had been under the weather, so she kind of put her Etsy shop on hold and had put in her group, and I'll leave all her information down below like always. Her name is Karen, and her Etsy is Kmg Designer Dips, and she kind of put her group on hold for a little bit to focus on healing herself, her family. They were all under the weather, so she was clearing out some of her inventory. And I missed that sale. So I messaged her and I said, do you have anything left over? Is there any goodies left? And she said, yes. I said, well, do me a little mystery bag. Just throw me some goodies in a bag and send me an invoice and I'll pay, and I'll just be surprised when I get them. And this is what we got. So I have already opened everything just so we can get through this quicker. Look at this hollow packaging. Look at that. So this does come sealed. This is, I'm going to take everything out so we're not crunching this plastic so much. Get this little buffer block out of here. Okay, so in that little package, there is a strawberry champagne Kmg Designer Dips cuticle oil pen, and I did just use it. If my nails look shiny, my cuticles look shiny, I did use this. Fantastic. The strawberry champagne smells really good. I have another one from her you've seen me use in like my last mani tutorial. It was, I believe it's just vanilla, and I love that one. So next up, you got this little cuticle pusher, but it's also a little, the little pointy on the end. Yes, it's plastic, but it will do the job. Push your cuticles back. You can use the pointy end to clean up around that perimeter of your cuticle and your sidewall after you dip. So I will definitely be using this just to clean up around. So got that little guy. We'll set them to the side. Got a little buffer block. It looks like one side is a rough grit, the other side is a fine grit. So just a cute little purple. She made everything purple. That's awesome. Little buffer block, got that one. And I believe this was one of the extras because it doesn't have like her sticker on top and it doesn't have a name on the bottom. Did you guys just see that? OMG, OMG, OMG. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to put this on my nails. I can't wait to put this on my nails. It's white, but it's teal and purple. How? How? Tell me how. Love that. Cannot wait to use it. Cannot wait to use it. Okay, and then got this little organza bag. It was tied up all nice and neat, but I have gone through and opened them and unsealed them. They were sealed just to make this video go a little faster, and I was not sitting here opening up seals all day. So here's all the names of the colors. I'm just going to flip them over, scooch them back, and I'm going to just grab one There's her sticker again. This one is called Elegant. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. And you're saying, Shannon, that's not enough to dip your nail. That's fine. I understand that. You get a paper or a silicone cupcake liner and you can sprinkle this over your nail. Then pour it back in the little cup. Sprinkle it over your nail. It's super easy. You can use a makeup brush, which I did just buy 2 Wet n Wild makeup brushes to use for tapping glitter over the nail. Got those at Five Below for $1 each. This is Lily Sparkles. Oh, ooh, look at that. I'm trying not to spill anything. That would be pretty, actually, with what I have on my nails today. Oh my gosh. So she will be putting new inventory up on her Etsy shop. I'm not exactly sure when, but I know she will be. No, she said she's not going to be selling through Etsy anymore. So I'm correcting myself. You have to go through her Facebook page right now until she finds another website to use. So I will link her Facebook page, her Facebook group, pardon me, down below. She says she wasn't going to use Etsy anymore, and I feel her pain because I was selling my soaps on Etsy, and there's just so many fees and so many just hurdles in Etsy anymore. It's ridiculous. Tap this back a little bit. Because you have a fee for posting it. You have a percentage fee for when you sell it. Then they want you to use free shipping. Well, honey, shipping is not free. It's got to come from somewhere. And I've said that with my soaps before. You have to up your price on your items to cover the cost of the shipping. So to me, that's like, it's like lying because the shipping is not free. You have to pay for shipping somewhere. That cost has to come out of your product. That's beautiful too. This one is called Lively. So yes, she will be selling directly from her Facebook until she finds another like website she can do her own page and not have to worry about all those Etsy fees. Oh, look at that. Like a powder blue. Super fine sparkle. That's pretty. That is so pretty. Okay, so there is 4. Grab this one. Says Paint It Pink. I'm tapping it so since they were upside down, I do not want to spill anything if I can get around spilling anything. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. That is gorgeous. Yes, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Cannot wait to use these. I just put this mani on a couple days ago, so it is not time for it to come off, but I want to use these. Here's another peachy looking one. It's called Coral Rainbow. Ooh, cute. Super cute. Okay. This one is called Erica. Ooh, it's a deep purple. Can you see that in the lid? Oh, that's so pretty. Can you see that super fine shimmer in there? I don't know if you can or not. I won't know until I watch this video back. There's definitely a super fine shimmer in there. Oh, so pretty. And vintage lilac. Oh, now that's going to be interesting. It's a really pale lilac with a lot of hollow in there. So pretty. I can't take a drink every time Shannon says so pretty. Let's see. What's this one? Sea Sparkles. That's the one she said she had an extra of. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Tap some of it down this way. Level it out. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. That's probably going to be the first one I use. I'm not even joking. That's going to be the first one I use. Precious. Ooh, another pretty teal. Lots of pretty glitter in there. Okay, there's Precious. And then last one is the White Sparkle Glow. Oh wow, it's just a pure white with a lot of shimmer. I hope that shimmer's coming through with all the lights that I have going on here. That's why I did it in here. I have so many more lights in here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yes. Oh yes, don't spill it, Shannon. This will be a mani right here. I can already tell you. I can already tell you that will be a mani right there. Wow. But again, this is her regular size. This is the little sample sizes. That's the difference. This is what you would buy like for a normal dip. This is called Spellbound. I know I did a haul on these. Look at that. I have used this one too. Alright guys, that is it for this little haul. I'm going to call it a haul. Mine, all mine, mine. In the cuticle pen, I did go ahead and crank this guy up because it takes it a little bit to crank up. But once you get the cuticle oil going, you just brush it on. And my cuticles really need all the help. I do go up underneath my nail because it gets dry up under there, guys. It gets dry. And around the sides of my thumbs because I like to pick and gnaw, which I shouldn't do. Yes, I go up under the nail. I go all the way around the nail. Give it a crank because I've used it all there. And she has different scents on there. Different flavors, different smells, however you want to say it. This one is strawberry champagne. And the other one I have, I believe, is just straight up vanilla. I love these. Absolutely love these. But that's it, guys. That is my Kmg Dips haul. And I'll definitely be buying from her some full sizes of these when she gets them ready to go. Even if you want to see more manis, I did do this mani. I didn't film it. I'm sorry. If you want to see more manis, let me know down below. I'm trying to work out the kinks on how to do that. I'll just have to keep practicing too, because figuring out the lights, I like this right here, but I'm in my craft room, so we may have to do them here in the craft room. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Be sure you go and check out her Facebook group.